to? Ano yun? Gago.
Isa pa, isa.
Kiss! Kiss yan, kiss! Kiss the bride!
Sana rinig natin, no? Dong, Gian.
Diretso lang tayo, tol. Diretso lang tayo. Tingin lang tayo sa harap. Yan.
Kaya pagdating eh.
Salute, tol.
Baral lang kita. Eh, nakawag na ako sa ano mo. Sarap mo naman. Awakan ko lang chan mo ha. Theodore. Awakan ko lang.
Salute tayo, tol, mga tol. Salute tayo, tol.
Wait lang, awakan ko lang ano mo. Sarap eh ha.
Ayos, ayos. STS. STS.
Ang ina, sino na yung white lady?
STD, STD.
Parang, sino daw yung nasa unahan na nakaputi? Tantado yun yung kinakasal, white lady daw. Bastos.
Sa buho ko, waterfalls. Let's go.
Eh, kaya
They were my own.
Sa mata na nga lang ako ng PHRRP manonood. Para
gagi ka dong.
marinig.
Ano ba pangalan? PHRRP?
Oo.
Ang dami nagliliparan. Para mga paro-paro. Taray mo. Titigil lang kasal. Ano ka? Gago, tingin mo isang nakapaka-random mo. Sige, tumatanong doon eh.
When life becomes difficult again, over again and again and again.
Eh, dong.
Because loving you
Ay,
is the decision of my life.
kasal. Umaten ng kasal, pero walang marinig. Aray mo.
Oh, na-try mo na ba magjabol nang walang kaalam-alam, bossing?
Mukha nga mo, magdibol.
Umiyok, pre. Umiyok. Umiyok na, pre.
Kaya nga.
Siyempre, roll nyo lang yan.
And all the
Nagsisilapitan na sila, pre.
adversity
Pwede ba yan?
every day, every seconds of my life to the rest of
Sino yung nasa taas?
Ay, nabubusisian mo ba ako?
Mic test. My love, Kenji Patterson. We met at a time I never expected. You told me that you have been messaging me before, but I'd never noticed you. Not until February, when I decided to assign myself sa police department to help with the robberies. Doon pala magsisimula ang lahat. That was the moment you finally had your chance. But the truth is, I was hesitant. I knew your reputation and I had just come out of a relationship. I wasn't ready to commit to anyone. I told myself I wanted to stay single. I was just fooling around, trying to distract myself, trying to heal without letting anyone get too close. But you stayed. You were patient with me. You made the effort to talk to me, to know me, to understand me. And when you confessed how you felt, I surprised even myself because I said yes right away. Not because I was ready, but because something in me or something in my heart told me that you were sincere. And you never stopped proving that. You made the effort to know every version of me. My mood, my silence, my overthinking, even the things I can't explain. Teka lang, kinakabahan ako. And even when I tried pushing you away, you didn't give up. You did everything you could to reach me, to contact me, to understand what was going on inside my mind. Kahit binablock kita, di ba? Hindi ka napagod sa akin, kahit minsan ako na mismo yung lumalayo. You told me you would change for me, and I can see it. I see your effort. I see how much you're trying. Sometimes I still hesitate. Sometimes I still get scared. But deep down, I know you want this. I know you want me. And sorry kung most of the time I get jealous kasi ako na to eh. When the city frustrates me and everything feels heavy, ikaw yung nagpapakalma sa akin. You explain things when my mind is full of doubts. You reassure me when I'm overwhelmed. You make me feel safe in a way I didn't know I needed. You're a lover boy, a golden retriever, soft, warm, and full of love. But at the same time, sorry. But at the same time, you're strong and dependable. Kasi general ka. And today, standing here with you, I realized something. The person I wasn't ready to commit to became the person I can't imagine my life without. So today, I promise to choose you, not just in the easy days, but even in the complicated ones. I promise to be patient with you the way you've been patient with me. I promise to keep growing with you, to keep understanding you, and to keep building the life we're starting together today. Because out of all the unexpected things that happened in my life, you were the most beautiful one. And if I could go back to that moment in February, when I finally noticed you, I would still choose you again and again in every lifetime. Because loving you is the easiest decision my heart has ever made. And I promise that for the rest of my life, it will always be you.
Exchange rings. May we have the...
Kiss the bride!
The rings are a symbol of eternal love. The circle has no beginning and no end. Just as the love you promised tonight is meant to last
Boy,
forever.
lapit tayo, boy. Hindi natin marinig.
Kenji,
Uy, galaw.
please place the ring
Tangina mo,
on
galaw nga.
sugar, finger, and repeat after me.
Ikaw man ang pupunta ka. Galaw
I
na.
Anong galaw na
give you the ring as a... I repeat it. Kenji, please place the ring on sugar, finger, and repeat after me.
Gagamitin ko yung pangalan ko. Eh, gusto ko sana ipadelete yung account na yan. Kaya gusto ko na, baka kasi ma-multiply account pa rin ako. Kaya,
Give you this ring
sana. Totoo, hindi ko na
Give you
makita.
this ring. No. Give you this ring.
as a symbol
The symbol. The symbol.
Tumatumbling si Sing Tito,
My love. My love.
and commitment.
Natatawa ko, gabi.
Commitment.
With the ring,
With this ring.
Huwag naman.
I promise to love you,
Promise to love. Promise to love.
honor you,
Heard you.
and stand beside you.
And stand beside.
For all the days of my life.
Meron ka pagkain.
For all the days
Of my life.
my life. my life.
Sugar,
Arin mo.
please place the ring on Kenji's finger and repeat after me.
I
Give you this ring
give you this ring,
Sir,
give you
ba?
this ring
as a symbol of my love
as a symbol
Hindi mo
of
na ako
my love, as a symbol
nabohosesan.
of my love
and commitment.
Naging isang tauhan mo ako dati.
and commitment.
With this ring,
Kilala,
With this
kilala mo na.
With
Kilala
this
mo ako.
ring,
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you. I promise to love you,
honor you,
honor you, honor you,
and stand beside you
and stand beside you, and stand beside you
for all the days of my life.
for all the days of my life, for all the days of my life.
May your marriage be filled with love, laughter, patience, and understanding. May you always find strength in each other, and may your love grow deeper with every passing year. By the authority vested in me, and I the presence of this witness, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Kenji, you may now kiss the bride.
Champion! 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 Nilaplap. Nilaplap.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honor to present to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs.
Champion!
Patterson.
Huwag ka na magsalita, Father.
Oo daw.
Ito.
Yan request nila. Ayun daw request nila. Pati yung mga nanonood sa mata natin, request daw nila may tunog.
Mag-sturdy sila, mag-sturdy.
May tunog! May tunog!
Teka, di marinig. Narinig di ba? Ulit daw lang. Hindi, wait lang, manimik ka.
Mahina.
Oh, clear comms.
Okay na ba? Sige, ito na.
Bigo.
You know.
Champion!
Congrats. Sturdy na tol. Sturdy
Sturdy na sa likod.
Excuse me, padaanin niyo kami ni Father. Excuse me.
Padaan daw yung ano.
Excuse me. Oh, excuse me.
Pwede si Father. Pwede rin si Father.
Bigay yun eh. Yun. Sabay tayo dito sa likod. Wala ako kasama dyan. It's a matter. Amerika. Bakit nasa likod? Makapas ka sa likod.
Hindi na yung suntukan.
Kasi may kasal pa.
Layo.
Kaya pa naman sa akin.
Kutok.
Grabe, sumabog yung gitna.
Boy mo, laman ng pagka.
355.
Tang ina mo. Tang ina nito, bumubomba dito. Lakas mo no? Nabomba ka dito. Tang ina. Kawatan yarn.
Maraming salamat ako.
Isa tayo. Oo. Pangatak niya kotse ni Padrino. Labas na kayo, pre. Dito tayo sa gilid. Ano yun? Ang
Madamami, kaboses ko ba si Maymay?
Yung marereklamo dyan eh.
Kasi Maymay, kasi Maymay.
Kaya magpap... Ha? Hindi nakamit ng...
Buhay.
Dito na lang po yung mga gustong kumuha ng pagkain.
Hindi, pasok ka dito. Ano? Pasok ka dito. Oo. Sa counter. Yan, tapos mag-aado kayo. Mabuhay, Tito!
Lalabas ng baril, oh.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Mabuhay.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal.
Mabuhay ang bagong salsal. Ay, kasal. Mabuhay.
Grab. Steady na kayo, guys.
Salute. Pero ang sumulat ng awitin para sa
Buhay ang bagong kasal.
tuturing sugatang titik sa to.
Buhay. Father, tuwan tayo, father. Panot.
Baka sakaling mayroong tonong nananagan umusbong.
Si Father daw next.
Time!
Ayan na.
Ang talentado.
Si Jebro,
Nagsisintuwa na dun, eh. Mga
Good evening mga sir. If nagugutom po kayo, may free food po tayo sa booth. Dito na lang pa.
Saan yung boot?
Dito pa dito.
Bakit? Bakit?
Ayun!
Asan kayo? Asan kayo?
Ha? Ganyang kababaw?
Babalik.
Ganyang kababaw yung ano mo? Pag-iisip mo? Tanga ka ba? Nandun sa parang bar yung pagkain. Eh ano? Ang niyayabang mo? Hindi? Mga sinasabi ko?
Nagugutom po kayo.
Intindi ka. Ayaw mo na pagsasalitan, hindi ka marunong umintindi. Tanga ka ba? Ba't nandito ka sa harap ko? Alam mo, matikal ka pa eh, no? Dito sa ice. Saan ba kayo banda? Anong sabihin ng gano'n? Sabi ko umupo ka, di ba? May ginagawang kasal. May kaganapang kasal. Alam mo ba yung upuan na yun? Di ba dalawa-dalawa lang yun? Kita mong puno na upo ka pa. Hindi ka ba naman tanga eh? Isa. Alam mo yung mga ganon,
hindi.
Brad? Huwag kang tanga ah. Napakatanga mo. Pagkakaintindi lang, hindi ka pa marunong. Iintindihin mo lang yung sinabi ko. Napakatanga mo. Uy, tama na! Simpleng bagay, nagpapakatanga ka. Ano? Ano bang gusto mo ikaw? Tatanungin kita, ano bang gusto mong mangyari?
Nasa gilid kasi
Hirap mong intindihin, tanga ka kasi. Lang brad ah, napakatanga mo. Upuin ka, mag-iinaso ka doon, magtatapang tapanga bakit may babae? Ganun yung kailangan mo ng attention dahil may babae.
Yo, tara, kain. May cake, may ano dun. Tara.
Tatanga-tanga
Dito, yung may pagkain dun, yung pila.
Receive na po ba kayo ng pagkain? Libre lang po yun. Sa booth po, sa booth.
Di pa.
Dito na lang po, if hindi pa.
Bro, doon mo na lang kunin yung pagkain mo dun. Sundan mo na.
Dito na lang po, libre lang po yung pagkain. Wala pong babayaran.
Batchoy.
Yeah, bro.
Yun.
Paayos pong
Kalahati lang.
Paayos ang linya.
Walang buo.
Paayos po.
Gusto mo sa'yo lahat ah.
Yeah, bro.
Basal na to.
Kain na po.
Magbibigay
Guys,
pa
may di ako
ako sa-
makasya.
Tubig po, soda.
Ano? Sabi ko, ano pang gusto mo marinig, di ba? Pinuntahan mo ako dito, di ba? Hinahanap mo pa ako. Napaka-importante ko pala para sa'yo. Ayan. Tama yan, Brad. Ayan, napakakitid ng pag-iisip, napakakitid ng utak mo.
Jebra. Bakit? Bakit wala pa rin eh? Ano? Wala ka pa rin eh.
Mga sir, okay na po ba tayo sa pagkain?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Sino po yung nakakulang ng tubig lang? May libre po tayong cake dun sa kabila. Dito na lang sir, sunod ka sa akin.
Okay, ayos ko lang pila.
Walang kami.
Ay, teka lang. Ay, unahin ko lang itong mga customer. Yung pagkain dun sa kabila.
Pila na maayos, pila na maayos.
Ayos ko pila pa yun.
Okay naman. Yung pagkain dun sa kabila.
Ayan.
Milk tea, wala kaming milk tea, madam. Ano lang, soda.
Madaan ako. Yan.
Ayan, thank you.
Thank you, boss.
Eto, dito.
Thank you ba?
Drop mo yung drop.
Walang milk tea. Wala ding alak, soda lang. Gago. Hindi, nabigyan na kita eh. Umuulit ka?
Ako hindi pa.
Hindi pa, anong hindi pa? Nabigyan na din kita. Teka.
Nakakuha na ba kayo ng pagkain?
Hindi pa po, sir.
Dito na lang po. If hindi pa, sunod po kayo sa akin.
Tara, Aizen.
Punto.
Tara, Mike.